Many of our Amazon customers requested us to share the advertising strategy, especially for the seasonal events like Halloween, Christmas. You know, this is the peak time for the seasonal sellers to boost their sales. But they are almost confused how they can build a proper strategy and apply it to their campaigns and get the best return. This is Hassan from Ecom Clips, and in my today's video, I will guide you through how you can apply the best strategy to your seasonal campaigns. So without any ado, let's start today's video. So let's pick a random ASIN from Amazon, and now let me put this to Helium 10 Cerebro and get started. So this is a product especially for Halloween, and now if I check the keywords, let's sort with search volume. If you check the top keyword, which is Halloween decorations, it has almost 1.5 million searches within the last 30 days. The next one, Halloween decorations outdoor, it has above 1 million searches. Halloween, it's almost 1 million. Halloween decorations indoor, it's above 390k. This way you can check outdoor Halloween decorations, Halloween decor, Spider-Man costume, Halloween party decorations. And the main thing is search volume trend. You can see for almost every keywords it has high trend. Like for the first one, it has 189%, 292%, 42%, 87%, 199%, 216%. If I check the search volume history from here you can see that the search volume is going up rapidly. And if I compare with last year, there is a chance that this search trend can reach over 4 million this year within maybe next 2 weeks. And also if I just check last 90 days, you will see the data. Here you can get the idea how actually fast the search volume is increasing. Now similarly, if I check the next one, you can see the trend. Like it's crazy, it's going up rapidly. And also if I check similarly like last 90 days, you can see the jump. So every single search terms that are relevant to the Halloween events, you can see the spike on searches. And I can assure you within next 2 weeks, the searches will be double. So this is the high time that you should put these keywords into your campaigns if you sell the Halloween products. Now, if I go to any advertising campaigns and try to run a new campaign, for example, if I go here and let's click on create campaign, you have the keywords list now. Now the question is, should I put them into the existing campaigns or I should create separate campaigns with those keywords? Well, I prefer to create separate campaigns because this is seasonal, and when the season will end, we can turn off the campaigns and also we can track the performance separately. Now, if I show you what should be the keywords bid range. From one of my campaigns, let's click on add keywords. And from here, about 1 week before the event, you will see the bid suggestions from Amazon, which is especially for the Halloween. Similarly, before the Christmas, they will give the bid suggestions here. For example, now they are suggesting bids for the Prime Big Day deals. Anyway, let's put the keywords here. For example, Halloween decorations. Next one, let's put this 3 keyword and click on add keywords. Well, here you can see the suggested bid for each keywords. Now think about this. This is a seasonal campaign and you will get maximum 2 to 3 weeks to run these campaigns. Now within this time, you need to get the maximum visibility. So each and every time is crucial for you. That is why I suggest to put the bids rate at least 10 to 15% more than Amazon suggestions, so that you will not lose the momentum. Now the next thing is budget. You know, during this time, you need higher budget to keep your campaigns live for all time. That's why you can simply put budget rules for your campaigns. Let me show you how you can do this. From any campaigns, you just need to go to the budget rules and click on add budget rule. Here you can put the rule name. For example, Halloween. Now there are 2 types. One is schedule and another one is performance. schedule is based on your given date range, they will adjust the budget. And another one is performance, it will work based on your performance. So for me, what I think, I should prefer the performance, and then I can select the date range. You can put the start date today and put the end date while the event will finished. The next one is rule recurrence, like it will work daily or weekly. So you should prefer daily. And then the performance metrics. For example, for me, I want to keep the echoes under control. So I can select the echoes from here and put the condition. For example, it should be less than or equal like 30%. So if the campaign's performance is within 30%, I can increase my budget twice, like 200%. So my current budget is, let's say, $20, and it will be $60 if the campaign's performance will be under 30%. I can simply click on add budget rule and it will start working. So let me recap everything from the beginning. First of all, you need to pick the trendy keywords. Then you need to create separate campaigns with those keywords. You need to put higher budget so that your campaigns won't go out of budget. The next thing is you should put the bids at least 10 to 15% higher than Amazon suggestions. And to make sure your campaigns are not getting out of budget, you can put budget rules so that you can bring the highest traffic and become active every time. This is all about seasonal campaigns strategy. You can follow the same strategy before the Christmas. If you need any help with your accounts, or if you need us to manage your campaigns, you can simply email us at info@ecomclips.com and schedule a free consultation. You know, we offer free 7 days trial, so you can try our service anytime. See you soon in my next advertising topic. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.